Hey guys, what is up? It is Benner, back in another video, and this will be an unboxing of my new bootyful keyboard that I'm going to have. It's going to replace my old one. I've had it for a couple of years now, and it's starting to definitely show its age. It's starting to wear down, so I decided to get a new one. Let me just open up this box real quick. Alright. Oh, that's weird, they're taped out. Let me just throw this box to the side for now. Alright. So here we have it. Hopefully you guys can see this. The Corsair Vengeance K70. So, yeah. So it looks like side. It's so hard to like see this because it's so long, the box. There's another side. Here's what the back looks like. Oh, is that upside down? Yeah, it's upside down. Alright. So yeah. It's a mechanical keyboard. Looks really, really slick already. Let me open up the actual box here, if I can. Okay, there. Throw that off to the side for a second. This is what it looks like. Oh, I love the cables on this. Alright, if you can... Let's look at my current keyboard right now. You see this cable? It's not threaded, anything. It is kind of a cheap keyboard. It's just a Logitech gaming series. So I didn't really expect much from it, but it's still super cool to actually get the super threaded cables now. And it came with these keys. Red keys though, OP. Came out with a key remover too. I absolutely love it. Alright, let me move the camera back. Alright, cool. So, as you can see, it comes with this. Let me take off some of the boxing here. 2 USB cables. I don't even know what that's about, but maybe it's just because it needs a lot of power. So that's what it looks like. I'll take it off I'll take off the plastic in a second. There we go. Let me set that right there for a second. Had a little bit of a technical difficulty right there. I don't know what happened. I pressed a key and it stopped my recording of my audio on my mic for whatever reason. Came with this cool thing as well. This little thing for your wrist to sit on. Put that down for a second as well. Comes with a quick start guide. I'll probably be reading that in a minute. Along with a warranty against defects. And that's it. That's in the box. So the box is now empty. Alright. So let's get this set up real quick and I will be back in a minute. And we'll see what it looks like all lit up, and I will test out some of the keys, and let's see that, so bear back. Alright, I'm back, and this thing is fucking insane. Look at this. Like, this is exactly what I wanted, and it feels so smooth pressing on the keys. Like, so smooth. It's not even funny. But yeah, this is it. I might do a full review later. I'm not completely sure yet what I'm going to do with that, but I am really impressed so far with this keyboard. It looks fucking sick by itself. And I am just thoroughly impressed. So I think that'll be it for this unboxing video. Thanks as always for watching, guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace!